Here we are to demonstrate the Eternal Light Company ETL-902-PAR64. We're going to quickly show how to maneuver through the program buttons to use the different settings and features of this light. First, you'll notice we have addressing. There's 4 buttons on this light. The very far left button is the escape button. The second button is up, the third button is down, and the fourth button is your enter. By hitting escape, you can see that there's 512 DMX channels that can be, or addresses that can be addressed on this light. Since we're not using DMX, we're going to go ahead and go on to the next type of addressing through this light. The next setting is flash. By hitting escape, you can change the intensity from 0 to 10. 9 is a little bit slower. You go all the way down to 1, and that's the slowest. That's a strobe effect. By hitting escape, we can now move up to the sound active mode. You notice when we have sound that the light reacts to the sound. By hitting escape, this reaction is in color, but we can also change it to sound active in white. Escape in sound active 2 is the color. If you hit the up button to 1, now you will notice it's only in white. Right now you may see a little bit different color because of the camera and what it's reflecting against, but really this is a bright white. By hitting escape again, you can also change the speed of the strobe. The same with the color. You can hit escape and change the speed of the color as well. Now, our next feature is chase. The chase programming runs through all the different colors, one color after another. By hitting escape, you can now change the speed of that from 10 all the way down to 1. You'll notice in 1 it's a much slower setting. We got red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple, white. Those are the 7 static colors it chases through. We'll go back to the fastest speed so you can just see that again. By hitting escape and going up, now we're on the flow mode. This flow feature is very unique and very special because you can change the setting of this flow mode to go very, very, very slowly. By hitting escape, you'll notice we're on level 1. Level 1 is the slowest. For practical purposes of this video, we're going to jump into number 10 and let you see how that looks. Number 10 flows through it very fast. If you go through another slower version, it's a very, very nice effect. By hitting escape and now going up, this is the one where everybody has their questions. This is where you can set your static colors. Currently we're on blue. By hitting escape, you notice we're on 0 red. This R right here represents red. This is their attempt of making a G to represent green, which means green is listed, and that is blue. By increasing these colors, you can change the effect of the colors on this light. By putting more red along with green, or removing the green, now you've got an orangish red color. You got to remember the video is going to be a little bit off from what the actual colors in the room are. Just try to imagine that, please. Now if we take away all the blue, now we've got, by hitting escape, you see that there's 0 blue, 10 red, 0 green. Let's say that we add some green. Now we've kind of got a purplish pink color, a little bit lighter color. This is basically creating a pink color now, and you can almost match this color to whatever the event needs. You can hit escape and now you can start to add a little blue, and make a white. There's your cyan without any red, but a mixture of blue and green. But this is how you can play with it. Now we've got like a little yellow color there. Anyhow, please give me a call if you have any questions on how to operate the light that you've recently purchased. If you'd like to order new lights, please call me at 832-623-9377. We are the Eternal Light Company. This is our version of the LED PAR can, the PAR64. We call it the ETL-902-PAR64. Enjoy. Thank you.